Hello friends, welcome. This is Nadia from Nadia's Crafty Corner. Today we are working on a very cute, easy and fast project that you can choose to either do yourself or purchase the ready-made item. We are starting with a wood embroidery hoop that has two parts. The outside part screws in. We will be using black felt. Mine has a little sparkle. You can purchase black felt anywhere. And we have cut it into a circle. I went with the inside circle of the hoop, but then I decided to go a little wider just to make sure we had enough coverage. We are going to use a bumblebee ribbon and a 4-inch just buffalo check ribbon. I also went ahead and used the yellow felt. I've cut it 15 inches by 2.5 inches. So to put the whole project together, we start with opening the hoop, putting the 4-inch ribbon in the center of the hoop. And because the ribbon is wired, it could be easily positioned so it won't run away. We are going to put the felt, 2.5-inch felt over. I have written something. I've used heat transfer vinyl and transferred what I wanted to say on my ribbon. So we are going to position it in the center of the hoop. Once it's done, you can go ahead and put a little dab of glue on the outside part of the ribbon, or you could just let it be and go ahead and loosen the screw on your other ring and just place over the ribbon. If you pull on the ribbon too hard, you see the hoop just popped, but it's okay. You will just go ahead and reposition it. Once you position it, you want to make sure that the screw is in the center of your project because that will be where we hang our project. And there you go. Find your center. Place the outside hoop. Make sure your ribbons are where you want them to be. Otherwise, just pop the hoop back out and reposition them again. Once done, you want to go ahead and tighten the screw and make sure that both hoops are flush to each other. Go ahead and pull in the ribbon. I am going to cut it a little bit because it's too much extra. And this is where I put a little dab of glue, just so that it holds in place before I place my ribbon in. I am going to glue both ribbons separately just to make sure that I don't have an overspill of glue from anywhere, and just a little dab will go a long way. Once that's done, I find my center and I have placed a little string to attach it onto my wall. And now I could go ahead and place my backing, which is my black felt that could be purchased in any craft store. Making sure that it's even on all sides, and don't worry about the little extra on the side. Once we glue it, we could go in and cut it and add our little bumblebee ribbon and place the tails wherever we want them to place. When I make the bows, I put pipe cleaner so that I can easily attach it to my hoop, and I like to do that before I put my backing onto the project itself. And like I said, this you can purchase it from our website, nadiascrafts.com. You can purchase it as a ready-made project, Or you can have a little fun yourself and purchase the kit. We have everything ready and cut for you to put it together. It could be a cute little Sunday afternoon project with your kids or with their friends. Just an easy way to give a little personal touch to any room. And slowly go ahead and glue the backing. I don't put glue on the whole hoop. I do a little bit at a time just to make sure that everything is going even. And there's your completed project. Thank you for watching. This is Nadia from Nadia's Crafty Corner. And please visit our website, nadiascrafts.com. Thank you, and we'll see you soon for the next amazing do-it-yourself wall decor project.